In this video, I'll show you how to make inventory transfer. Generally, inventory transfer registers a transfer of inventory items from one location to another one within the same organization, its warehouse, department, and stores. To access the inventory transfer document, go to Warehouse module, open Inventory Transfer document from Warehouse Documents. Here you will find the list of inventory transfer documents. To create a new one, click on Create option and fill in all the required data. The main tab provides general information on an inventory transfer document. The transfer type can be of three types. Transfer, to register the inventory items that were moved from a location in one warehouse, another location in the same warehouse, or another warehouse. Transfer to exploitation, to register the inventory items that were moved from a warehouse to one of departments. Return from exploitation, to register the inventory items that were moved from one of the departments to a warehouse. For this example, select transfer. This enables the fields appropriate for this transaction type on the form. The required fields on this tab are sender, recipient, transaction type, and entity. In the sender field, you can select a warehouse or department from which the items will be transferred. The recipient field, select the warehouse or department which is the destination for the transfer item. Click on show all and choose the required warehouse. The customer order field is populated automatically if inventory transfer was created based on a customer order. Use the pass through custom checkbox to indicate that the goods listed in this document are to be transferred from the location in free zone to the location in the mainland. In the entity field, select the legal entity of your company which is responsible for this transfer. The basis field is populated automatically if this document was generated on the basis of a document of one of the following types, that is, invoice received, goods receipt note, production order, or production. In the comments text box, you can enter any additional information about this document. In the inventory tab contains a list of inventory items that are being transferred. Add the items one by one using the option add button. Once the item is selected from the drop down, the characteristics column is available. You can specify additional properties such as size, color for each of the listed item if the characteristics option is selected in the master data of the item. In the batch column, you must specify the batch number for the items with expiry dates, items transferred for consignment or third-party contract warehouse. The serial number column, you can provide the serial number according to the quantity of the items. Serial numbers are required only if the control stock balance by serial number option is enabled under the administration settings of warehouse. In the quantity column, you can specify the quantity of the items to be transferred, and unit of measure column, you can select the unit for this item. The current GL account column shows the GL account used for recording the cost of the transfer item in the source warehouse, while the new GL account column is intended for the GL accounts that will be used for recording the cost of the transferred item in the destination warehouse. By default, the new GL account column is populated with the same account as the current GL accounts column. However, you can replace the destination accounts as required. Once all the details are filled, check the data in the tabs and post the document. Refer the report stock statement by warehouse from warehouse module, reports of warehouse, stock statement by warehouse. Go to quick settings and choose the relevant item. You can see the item GPAS coffee maker has been transferred from this warehouse to Data main. That's how you work with inventory transfer document. Thanks for watching the video.